to all of you. I hope you are fine. मैं आपका साथी मन्नान सर. Today you are looking at the student those who are sitting here under my kind of supervision. They are ready for creating question answer because question answer is the very important, is the most important. If someone meets and he will discuss to each other firstly in English language. What is English language? English language will show you that how to talk, how will discuss, how will create question, from where to start, कहाँ से शुरू करें. It is started from totally English, not from Hindi. If someone has knowledge about English, at that time he will create that. Who are you? What's your name? From where have you come? How will you reply? If the person has knowledge, he will reply that I am from Hadia. Nowadays I'm learning something, and he will tell when did you come? I came at 4 o'clock. Like that, he will reply soon. If you wanna be a good speaker, if you wanna achieve more knowledge, guys, so don't waste time and please subscribe channel and follow and share to other person. You will get something special from here. Yes, don't worry, I am with you forever, dear. मैं आपके साथ हमेशा के लिए हूँ. आइए आपको उन लोग से मिलवाते हैं जो मिलते ही इंग्लिश में क्वेश्चन आंसर करते हैं. ऐसा क्यों होता है? क्यों जिसके पास ज्ञान होता है उससे सब्र नहीं होता है, उसका अमृत निकल ही जाता है. आइए जानते हैं. जबरदस्त. व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Mohammed Said.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Mohammed Faizan Jishi.
Yes, Faizan and Hussein are standing here and they are ready for creative question in English language. How to discuss on continually? You will listen thoroughly and they will talk gradually. Please be continue on and listen carefully. Okay? Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes.
And,
Yes. You should take.
What is your name?
My name is Mohammed Faizan Jishi. And what is your?
My name is Mohammed Said. And where are you from?
I'm from Ashwadapur. And you?
I am from Tamgada. Who is elder in your family?
I am elder in my family. So tell me about yourself.
I am Mohammed Said and my father name is Mohammed Farooq and my mother name is Kanish Fatma and I belong to Tamgada. What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing volleyball. When did you get up in the morning?
I got up in the morning at 9 o'clock. When do you purchase vegetable?
I purchase vegetable at morning. What is your qualification?
My qualification is at this time ITI and your
I am in BCom third year.
third year.
After graduation, what do you want to do?
After graduation I want to go merchant navy. What have you taken in breakfast at morning?
I have taken milk in breakfast.
Oh,
When did you
uh,
get up in the morning?
I got up in the morning at 9 o'clock.
When did you come to coaching?
I came to coaching at 10 o'clock. Why had Ram gone to Allahabad?
Ram had gone to Allahabad for meeting.
Who had written a letter?
My friend has written a letter.
Who was Ram?
Ram was a boy.
Uh,
You, you don't come to coaching?
I come to coaching. Why does Ram purchase vegetable?
Ram purchases vegetable for making food.
Who teaches English?
Mannan sir teaches English.
What is your opinion about Mannan sir?
Mannan sir is a very good teacher and he teaches very well.
Who is famous in Handia?
Uh, Ramu Hotel is famous in Hadia. You know Ramu Hotel?
Yeah, I know Ramu Hotel. You had gone?
Yeah, I had gone.
Very good. Very
When
good.
you had gone?
I had gone yesterday.
You had gone yesterday?
Yeah.
Uh,
So when did you come to coaching?
I came to coaching at morning.
What you learn?
I'm learning English.
What is the benefit of learning English?
The benefit of learning English is many. You have bike?
Yes, I have bike.
Which bike do you have?
I have a Splendor and Pulsar.
You have Splendor.
Yeah.
You
You know
have
about?
car?
No, I don't have car.
Uh,
You know how to drive a car?
yeah, I know how to drive a car.
You have car? You have car?
No, I haven't car, but I know about how to drive car. Uh,
Yeah.
how will you purchase it?
I will purchase sweet by money.
You have money?
No, I don't have money.
Why you don't have money?
Because I have phone, I use Google Pay. I will pay by online.
Uh,
So
After talking, what will you do?
After talking, I will go to home.
You will go to home.
Yeah.
Uh,
So when you will go to the home?
When will you?
When will you go to home?
I will go to home at 12 o'clock. And you?
I will go home at 11:30 a.m.
Who was Ram?
Ram was a boy.
Ram was boy.
He
Yeah.
wanted to ask who was Ram. Ram was the son of Dasrath, Raja
Ram
Dasrath, king of
Yeah.
Dasrath. Yes. He
Uh,
wanted to ask.
Uh, do you know about Jahid?
Yeah, Jahid is a boy. He's my friend. Yeah.
Jahid is your friend. Uh, what's your age?
My age is 22.
22.
Yeah.
What's your dream from childhood?
My dream is to become a successful person in my life.
Yes. Great.
And what is your?
My dream is merchant navy. Uh,
So after joining Merchant Navy, what do you want to do?
Very good.
after merchant navy, I will do hard work. Uh,
For joining
why had woodcutter cut the tree?
woodcutter cut the tree for taking for making table.
Making table.
Yeah.
Why had woodcutter make the furniture
The woodcutter make the furniture for selling.
for selling?
Yeah.
Uh,
How will
I will join merchant navy by money and by training. You know very well.
for training where will you go?
For training, I will go on ship. Uh, what is your opinion about Samir?
Samir is a good boy.
He is a good boy.
Yeah.
Why can you say that Samir is a good boy?
Because he come to coaching. He comes to coaching every day and he learn. He practice also for making himself more better.
Can I go to home?
Yeah, you can go to home.
Why I can go to home?
Because if you want to go, you can go.
Are you from America?
No, I am not from America. I am from Hadia.
You had gone to America.
No, I had not gone to. In future, I will try my level
Yes.
best to go.
Very good, beta. क्या बात है?
Why had you gone to? Why hadn't you go to America?
Because in present time, I don't have money and I am not able to go
क्या
because
बात? गजब
because
Who was Mahatma Gandhi?
Mahat,
Gandhi was
Mahatma Gandhi was a good person.
Oh.
He
How
made
can you say that Mahatma Gandhi was a good person?
because he do many works for us. He did many works for us.
Why had freedom fighter fight for Indian people?
The freedom fighter fight for Indian people because fought had fought had fought for Indian people to get freedom of India.
Who was Chandrasekhar Azad?
Chandrasekhar Azad was a freedom fighter.
Why had he shot to himself?
I don't know about it
I don't know. Why?
because I had not learned. That's why I don't know. Ask me another question.
Where is the Chandrasekhar Azad Park situated?
Chandrasekhar Azad Park is situated in Prayagraj.
You know about Prayagraj?
It is a city in Uttar Pradesh. You also know?
You had gone?
Yeah, I had gone.
When you had gone?
I had gone 1 month ago. So
You will go on Mahakumbh Mela?
no, I will go in January.
January?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's starting from 13 January. Yes. You also want to go in Magh Mela?
Yeah, I also going.
At this time, Magh Mela came after 12 years. We call it Mahakumbh. So it is called Mahakumbh. You know about him.
Yeah, I know about to childhood. You know?
So nowadays there are many works are going on. So have you seen any work or not there?
I have seen. I have seen. Uh, why had you gone to Mahakumbh Mela?
Because it's come after 12 years. Yes. And it is very beautiful. If we go there, we learn more and more things. Yes.
What is your opinion about Narendra Modi?
Narendra Modi is a good person. He's our prime minister for our India. So, and what is your opinion about Mahatma Gandhi?
My opinion about Mahatma Gandhi is a good person and he is freedom fighter. He was freedom fighter. You know very well.
Where is Mannan spoken class located?
Mannan sir, Mannan spoken Prayagraj situated at uh, Station Road. You know
How
very well Station Road.
how does Mannan sir teach us?
Mannan sir teach us very good.
Do you know about Mannan sir?
Yeah, I know about Mannan sir.
Yes, guys, you are listening there. They are talking properly. It is a good minority. It is a good manner. The person who is speaking like this, and he will be success, and he won't get problem. He can face to any person, because the person, those who are coming under my kind of supervision, they are speaking English continually and they are achieving knowledge. If you wanna be a good speaker, you will have to do like this practice, because practice is the best key. Practical is the best key to be success. You have been already told by me. Yes, I want to say you that if you want to, if they are standing here, they are sitting here, they are sitting here, they will also talk. Yes, today you have seen one pair, and tomorrow you will get one pair. Yes, daily you will get that. How will talk? Everyone is ready for talking. There is must not be problem. There won't be problem. They will speak continually, and you will get properly listen. How to speak a good speaker. Okay, guys. now हम आपसे फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। इस तरीके से आपको मिलता रहेगा एक नया अंदाज, एक नया शरीर, कैसे एक अच्छा स्पीकर अपने आप को बनाएं। आपको यहाँ मैं अच्छी तरीके से टिक देता रहूंगा। और आप के जैसा लोग अगर अपने विचार को बदलेंगे दोस्त, वो भी सफल हो जाएंगे। और आने वाले समय में जितने भी जनरेशन उगेगी, वो भी सफल पूर्वक भी रहेंगे आपके माध्यम से। क्या आप नहीं चाहते आपके द्वारा किसी का बन जाना? कितनी अच्छी बात है। अपने आप को बनाना इतना आसान नहीं होता, लेकिन जब इंसान बना लेता है तो उसके अंदर चिंता तो जरूर होती है, सामने वाले को भी अपने जैसा बना दे। तो ठीक है दोस्त, बस एक प्यारा सा संदेश था, आपको दिलाया मैंने। और एक प्यारा सा संदेश ये भी है, बेल आइकन को दबाइए, आगे लोगों तक बढ़ाइए, और फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।